Hey YouTube, this is Brandywine79. How's everyone doing today? I hope you're doing very well. I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about my hair. Um, I recently decided to go all natural, meaning not chemically altering my hair with what with what we call a perm. I before I started, I did a lot of research online. I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and I went on certain websites such as Naturality.com. I get a lot of insight from them, and I listen to people's concerns. I listen to how hard it is to deal with natural hair, and it seems like it's not that hard. So, just so that I could continue to um, grow my hair more natural and have it grow out healthier, I've decided to go natural. Now, let me tell you my journey though, okay? I haven't had a perm since I think it's 2004. What happened is that I quit getting a perm in 2000. My last perm was in 2004. But what I was doing was I wasn't perming my hair, but I was still straightening it with a flat iron, which, you know, some of you all out there know that straightening your hair with a flat iron is just like burning your hair off, literally. It's not good for our hair. Our hair is very delicate and needs to be treated as if it is such, okay? So I was still straightening my hair with a flat iron, so I decided to stop doing that. I decided to stop putting heat on it altogether. 2 months ago, I decided, okay, I'm not straightening it anymore. I'm not putting any more heat on it. I'm just going to let it do its thing naturally and see what becomes of it. And over the last 2 months, I've done a lot of research. Like I said before, I've gone on YouTube, I've gone on different websites, and I've done a lot of interesting research and found a lot of interesting things from different people. So, I guess technically, I am absolutely loving 100% my hair. I love everything about it. I love um, waking up in the morning and not putting anything in it and just going. I love wetting my hair in the morning. I love seeing the curls naturally do their thing. I love everything about my natural hair. So I'm going to continue to post things on this channel so that you guys can see how great natural hair is. And for those of you that already can see that, congratulations. You know, I'm very, very proud that you've taken that step and taken that jump to actually wear our hair in a natural state. So I hope to hear from you guys soon. I hope that somebody will uh, comment, rate my video. I hope to get more subscribers so that we can all chat about natural hair together and how wonderful it is, okay? Alright, YouTube, so I'm going to hang it up now. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Just, I think it's a yellow button that's that way, or it might be that way. I don't know. Just rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.